Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's videos analysis on gold and other indices. I will be covering. This is 4th of August, NFP day. So let's start with the gold as usual. So gold, there is nothing happened yesterday, and we are into the same range, and also we are just below. We have just broken down to this blue uptrend channel, and it's looking quite bearish. We have not seen any kind of major move. uh, in spite of we had three major data yesterday: Bank of England red decision, ISM manufacturing PMI, and some unemployment claims. Okay, after these three events also we couldn't get any kind of major move in gold. So I'm just waiting for the NFP data today. Up until then I'm not expecting anything major happening in gold. Okay, so this is gold. You can see this is the consolidation I'm talking about, and this is the a frustrating range where trader lose money. Okay, you can see you are just waiting for a breakout from here, taking a long entry, but it is going down. You are waiting a breakout to the downside, but it is going up. So it is quite frustrating. Okay, and just for people placing so many buy or sell order just with this frustrating range. Okay, so when to trade is also a big thing to be considered by every trader. Okay, we should wait for this kind of opportunities. Okay, this kind of market moves gives you money. You will always lose money in this market condition. Okay, so always wait for better market condition to be there to to make the profit. So there is nothing to talk about gold so far. I'm just waiting for NFP data to released before taking any entry. And let me give you a small overview on what can happen with the NFP. Okay, so let me jump into the data page. Okay, so this is the data release. We have unemployment rate from Canada, employment change from Canada, and also non-farm payroll from US, unemployment rate from US, and average hourly earning data from US. Okay, so these are the main data which will remain in focus. Okay, this one we will be focusing on what release we are getting from these data, and also this will put a minimum impact, not much, up and until we don't have any surprising data. If we are getting some surprising numbers, then only it is going to impact and hold weight. And but I'm not expecting that. And if we talk about non-farm payrolls, the previous was 209k, and this time the market is expecting 200k. Also the unemployment rate is 3.6%, was 3.6% last meeting, last month, which is expected to remain same 3.6%. Okay, so what like last time we have seen a surprising number from non-farm payrolls, which was 209k, which was already higher than expected. And this time also the expectations are quite high. 200k, the expectations are quite high, and higher expectations always disappoints. So I'm not expecting some good numbers. In my view, the numbers could be like this. Okay, we may get around 195k, and also the unemployment rate can remain same 3.6%. So if this is the case, we will see 195k, which is not a good data. So if this is going to happen, we will see weakness in dollar index, and gold will turn bullish. So this is our main expectations. Okay, this is our main bias. This is what we are expecting to see. I am not expecting a surprising number in this. Okay, so this is not going to be like it is not going to put pressure on the market. So this is what I'm expecting from the market, and personally I'm expecting some some weakness in dollars, and gold will turn bullish from here. Okay, and also indices, all indices. So this is what I'm expecting. So if this is going to be the case, what we will see, let's jump into our charts again. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot of this, you can take. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so this is the consolidation zone, but also we will be looking for, because gold is quite bearish at the moment, we have this big downtrend, but it's matter of a bad data for USD, and it will cover all the losses. It will cover all the losses, and it can turn bullish at any time. Okay, all it needs is just to break out from this green uptrend channel and backtest it, and it will move. Okay, and we might see some short-lived impact as well, because it's not necessary that every NFP will give you thousands and hundreds of pips. That is not the case. Okay, so we will just see the market, we will just see the data, and we will decide what to do. Okay, so in terms of market trade ideas, I'm just looking for buy, and I will wait for a breakout above 1942 and 1953. Okay, and I will be waiting for a clear confirmation. Let's say if we are getting some good numbers means, let me give you what is the definition. Okay, if we talk about the good numbers, and let's say we are getting 210k, then this will be a good number. And let's say the unemployment rate drops to 3.5%. If this is going to be the case, we will see the strength in dollar, and gold can turn bearish. Okay, but I'm not expecting it, because this unemployment non-farm payrolls numbers are already quite high expectation. So my main bias is that the gold will turn bullish, and we will see weakness in dollar. But let's see, it is just an expectation, it has nothing to do with the reality. We will just focus on the numbers, and then we will decide what to do. Okay, I will be keep on updating on the channel and on my social media platform. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting, and let's say we are getting the bad numbers, then I will just wait for a clean break below this zone, the last low, and 1922, below 1922 will be a safe zone, sell to enter. Okay, so that's all about today's NFP data and gold. So we are just waiting. I don't have any clear direction for the trades now, so I will just keep on updating what I'm getting. Okay, US 30 is also looking bearish for now, but if we are getting the data which is weaker, which is bad for USD, we may see some quite bullish move. Okay, and it can recover like this. So we will just wait. I don't have anything to give a clear indication on what going to happen. This is the blue downtrend channel, which is looking good so far, and if we are breaking out, then it can move further, and it can just backtest to this broken support here at this area 35,500, and it can move further down. Okay, so let's see what data we get, and accordingly we will be deciding the further market direction. Okay, so there is nothing much to talk about US 30 and NASDAQ 15,200, which I mentioned yesterday. This was the zone where we got a bounce, we got a really nice move, and the nice reaction to the upside, and we may see a move like this. Okay, this is going to be our resistance. This is where our resistance going to be. Okay, and it can break out from this, because buy the dip is still on. So anything above 15,700 will be quite bullish for NASDAQ. Okay, and for bears, we need to break this zone. Okay, we need to break below 15,200, and we can enter for sell. Okay, so we will be just looking for the data and the price action, and then we will decide what to do. Okay, DAX is in this golden uptrend channel we mentioned yesterday. Okay, we got a back test on this lower band of a golden uptrend channel. It actually near, it is not back tested properly. Okay, so we may further see a move to the downside at this zone and move up like this. Okay, so buy the dip is still on. It was the move we have seen, it was a temporary bearish move, and we are expecting some more upside after backtesting to this golden downtrend channel, and the level would be around 15,750. Okay, so that's all about today's video, and we covered Dow Jones, NASDAQ and DAX and gold. So there is nothing more to talk about, but we have discussed about NFP overview, and I will keep on updating. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and keep in touch. Thank you.